Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. Doing a spark plug replacement on a 2012 Chevy Malibu 2.4 liter. If it matters, the VIN number is 0. I'm going to take this cover off. Looks like a screw here maybe, and a clamp here. Probably take the oil cap off to remove it as well. Someone, not me, has left this clamp undone, so still undo that. You see there's a channel here for 8mm here for this clamp too, which is loose enough for it to just slide on and off. It's probably okay, but use an extension, maybe a 6-inch extension, and get here and take this off. Right through here. Right through here. Four coils, 10mm bolts holding them in place. Looks like the harness is kind of harnessed in here, so you can pull these little weight tabs back to unlock it. Unlocked. Push down, pull off. Pushing that center tab down. So that's all you do. Do the same for all of them. And we'll be taking the 10mm bolt out, and then we'll get the coil out. Everything is left to loosen, right to tighten.
Couple options on spark plug sockets, short. Use a short, of course, just using the tension.
Got a new spark plug. Gap is 40 thousandths. Can use a gapping tool to increase it. Looking good. Increase it with this. And decrease it, you can just tap it on a hard surface as needed to make the gap proper. That has touched bottom. Torque is 15 foot-pounds. You can also see how far I turn. I think it's just a 1/16 of a degree. So you see once it hits bottom, not very much of a turn at all before it's tight enough. Like these little dielectric grease in here. Help with, I guess, sealing out moisture. Also helps keep this from sticking, I think, to the spark plug, which is kind of handy. Probably tighten that down to like 89 inch-pounds or something like that, not very tight. Snap that back on, push that back on, locked and loaded. Do the rest, and then you can just put it back together. Little nubbies here for the cover, 2 nubbies. It'll slide on here, and of course your hose here, and tighten this clamp. 8mm 5/16 for your clamps. Good luck to you. Just use probably a 6-inch extension, should do just fine.